Good morning, class. Today we will discuss this type of pattern. Okay. You see, in this pattern, the printing statement in decreasing order and space in increasing order. Okay. Number of rows and number of columns are 5. So first of all, you decide your loop runs. Means outer loop runs, inner loop runs, and what to print. These three things. First of all, we see here, if our outer loop runs first time. Okay. So see here, when your outer loop runs first time, here is no space. Means your space loop will not execute. Okay. And print loop, printing statement 1 2 3 4 5 5 stars is print, so this loop executed at least 5 times. Clear? When your outer loop runs second time, then your space in second row, see here, one space is there, means space loop run at least one time to print one space. And this loop 4 stars, 1 2 3 4, so this loop executed 4 times. Okay. In third time, your space 2 time space loop and print statement 3 times. When your fourth time outer loop runs, then your space will be 3 and print loop is 2. When your outer loop runs fifth time, your space is 4 and print statement star only 1 times. Okay. So see here, printing statement 5 to 1, space loop 1 to 4, means it's a increasing order and it's a decreasing order. Now let's see the coding of this loop. We need 3 loops. It's an outer loop, it's an inner loop which represent space, and it's also inner loop which represent print statement. Let's see the coding. For loop int I is equals to, we start I loop in reverse order because printing statement depends on outer loop. So printing statement in decreasing order, so we start this loop in reverse order. Condition is I greater than equals to 1 and I minus, decreasing order. Okay. After this, inner loop, first inner loop which responsible for space, int j is equals to 4 and j is greater than equals to I and j minus. First time we doesn't need to space loop, means we not print the space in first row. So here we start the loop from 4, initial value is 4 and j is greater than I value is 5 first time and your j value is 4. So 4 is not greater than 5, means this condition is false for first time. So it will not print the space. SOP space. After this, close the loop. First inner loop. Next loop for printing statement. For int, I am taking variable k, initial value of k is 1, then k is less than equals to, it depends on I. Okay. Then k plus plus. So after this, SOP, what we have to print? We have to print asterisk sign. So within double quotes, write the asterisk sign and close the double quotes and semicolon. After this, you close the for loop, second inner for loop. After this, SOPLN statement for new line. and here you close the outer loop. Close the outer loop. Okay. First time when your I value is 5, this condition is true. Control comes to inner loop. J value is 4. 4 is not greater than equals to 5. This condition is false. Then control comes to a next loop. Not comes to printing statement because condition is false. So control comes to the next for loop. Here for loop is k is equals to 1, k less than equals to I. Your I value is 5. Means this loop executed 5 times. And 5 times it will print star. So in first row you print 5 stars. Okay. After this it comes to next line. Now I value decrease. I value is 4. When it comes to inner loop, j is equals to 4. J greater than equals to I. Means 4 is greater than equals to 4. Yes, this condition is true only one time. So it will print one space. Okay. And here k is equals to 1. Now I value is 4. Means this loop executed only 4 times. So it will print 4 asterisk. Okay.